Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at my favorite place on earth. This is IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. All kinds of things we have been looking at. I showed you that little SL, 500 SL Mercedes over there in my previous video. We're looking for some other vehicles that I would be interested in, or perhaps you would be interested in. Maybe some kind of a cool Grand Wagoneer. I don't know. We're just going to kind of walk around and see what we find because they have a little bit of everything here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So let's get to work. Don't do it, Mike. Don't do it. Don't. Keep walking. You cannot save them all. And that looks to be pretty extensive. Is this the E500 or the E350? I don't know. I think it's the 350. No, it's the 500. That's even worse because that has the air suspension, which is kind of, as you can see, problematic with these. Don't, Mike, don't open the door. Don't do it. I've had one. They're fun cars. You just got to worry about that suspension. And this one has a lot of damage. So I'm going to listen to myself and we're going to keep on keeping on. If you're looking for something in the cute department, there's nothing cuter than a Fiat. Yes, Fiat 500 from 2013 Cabriolet. I think this all slides down. This remains, this slides down, and you have yourself a convertible in white. Looks like tan on the inside. Oh, this is cute. This is exactly not what I need. This is the 500C, C for convertible. Damage. Okay, so you need a headlight, a hood, and a bumper. But I do see these in the salvage yards, so parts are readily available. I see them here all the time. The hood went in here and smashed and cracked. This was a student's car. Okay. The windshield. Other than that, okay, so that's where the fender is kind of hitting the door. Look at the inside though, this red and the cream. I do like that, how Fiat kind of matches this to the outside, and down here there's just a pop of color. This is cool. This, I like them. This would be a fun little tool around car. I can't pull anything with it. I can't do much with it. There's your dash. Let's close this. There you go. Okay. Turn off the radio. Oh, she runs good. She does run well. Wow. Check left front tire, 26.1 PSI. Check right front tire, 24.6 PSI. Check left front tire. Okay, so your front tires need some air. Nothing needs fixing in here though. Look how nice this is. And it's way more roomy than you might think. I like this. This is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. It's plastic. All right, it is absolutely plastic. This is your heater. Let's just see what happens when we... Yeah, she goes in gear. Yeah, she goes in gear perfectly. This is very inexpensive. It's all just hard plastic, and it does kind of rattle and shake and everything. Anyway, but it's a cute car. I don't think we can open the hood, and I don't want to damage the door by opening it, but your floor mats are going to be inside the bags here. They put them in there for you. This is cool. Okay, that's the thing that holds the key. That's what's rattling right there. And I like this with the speedometer, the RPM. See how that kind of moves? And then you have your digital readout right in front with your gas and your temperature. Everything you need right there in the middle. Look at that. 114,021 miles. Tire pressure is the only light that's on. Oh, we have lights. Yeah, your headlight right there is on, and that's on because I don't have my seatbelt. Other than that though, this is a fun little car. This is cool. And it wouldn't be too difficult, and I don't think it would be too expensive to fix. So if you have like a college student who's going into a sorority, oh, this would be a perfect car for her. Or a high school student learning how to drive, because they're going to beat it up. This would be perfect. I like this. This is a Fiat. Don't do it, Mike. You can't. Really, you can't. Like I said before, you can't save them all. Plus, look how severe this is. Yeah, this E-Class took it, woo, right on the chin. 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. I like the wheels. I do. And the calipers right there that kind of match. This is nice. Let's just look on the inside just real quick. Ooh. Yes. Oh, dadgummit. Oh, this was a this was a smoker's car too. I like the black and the white. Doggone it. Keep going, Mike. Don't. You can't. You can't. As nice as it is on this side, there's all that damage on the other side. So just keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. We're going to find something else that would be better for the channel. Like a Buick. Have I done a Buick? This is a 2010 Buick LaCrosse that looks to have, I don't see a whole lot of damage. There's a couple of hail dings. Is this a hailstorm? Lost type other, 128,000 miles. Well, one flat tire, some clear coat issues back here. This is the CXL, which I don't even know what that means. Maybe it's more luxurious than the CX. I don't know. There's some clear coat issues on the front too. What is this? Oh, this is a new Camry. They don't even look like Camrys anymore. They look more like sports cars, which I think was really smart for Toyota to do. This on the inside is very well worn. Zip tie is holding the seat together. The seats have a ton of wear. Oh my gosh. I think we have power. We do. I don't like how that sounded. This is kind of cool. Service StabiliTrak. Check engine light is on. But now the engine sounds okay. There is a miss though. There's a definite miss. You do need a windshield, definite windshield. And it looks like, okay, this is an O'Reilly sticker from someone who changed his own oil. There you go. Castro 530, 617, 126, 105. So where's the, how do you clear this out? Here's your menu. 128, 235. So depending on how they did that, you're still within your mileage. I don't know why this is here. That's like tape. They put a tape over this for something. And there's a little, oh, you know what they did? Look, right here, you cannot see the lights. Right here, you can. They covered this light up with a piece of tape. So there's your StabiliTrak problem. They got tired of looking at that. Oh, that's hilarious. And under here, you have your ABS. They literally put a piece of tape, so they wouldn't see the error codes and the lights on your instrument cluster. You're kidding me. That is pretty brilliant. I mean, it really is, okay? I don't know, is this gonna do anything? So we do go reverse. We do go forward. Okay. We're just gonna let the battery charge up a little bit, okay? The heater works great. It's set on 80 degrees. It is not 80 degrees today. Oops. Where's my... I don't know if the hood latch has been released yet. Let's just kind of see what's going on back here. The back seats are nice. That's nice. The front seats just have a ton of wear. Is this going to open for us? Absolutely. Ugh. All right, here we go. The hood was collecting some water. That happened in a different car. Okay. V6 VVT direct injection with a Protect Wicks oil filter. So the guy did his own work. This looks fine. Absolutely. You're missing your cap for your windshield washer fluid. But she runs good. She does need work. Absolutely. And I do see these in the salvage yard, but you've got a bunch of work to do just on the front seats, and you need a windshield, and you got to work with your ABS and StabiliTrak errors, which could just be a fuse, or it could be something way more. But this, I think, is just genius how they just did that. They didn't even cut it out nicely. They just kind of ripped it and shoved it right there. Okay, so here we go. 2010 Buick LaCrosse with lots of possibilities. She could use a good buff and wax though too. And there's, like I said, ding, 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 ding up there. Okay, let's move on. Once again, don't do it, Mike. Don't. This is another Mercedes 2019 E-Class with lots of damage. See how the side curtains have come down. Let's just check the inside. Oh, this has the tan interior and the tan floor. I like the dark better. All kinds of bags, and they use this to hold the steering wheel in place. Oh, this is a beautiful car on the inside. Yes, sir. Too bad there's a lot of damage on the outside. But I can't. I've shown you guys way too many Mercedes. We've got to be real and find other cars. Here's your damage right here. And being a 2019, just the headlight alone is going to be very expensive. Fortunately, it doesn't look like, well, there may be some damage right in through here, it looks like. Yeah, okay. Well, we're not going to spend time with this. We're going to keep on looking. Now we're talking absolutely something completely different. Somebody's checking out a car over there. 2022 Ford, as you can see, an orange Bronco. What a nice looking truck slash SUV. This is the Big Daddy version, not the little Bronco Sport. They're still doing this. Oh my goodness. Well, I haven't even walked around and I can tell you what the damage is. See how this doesn't line up? We've got some major collision damage right here. Yep. Oh! Yeah, something pointed, hit her really hard right there. I love the orange though. Oh, this was a nice SUV back in the day. Everything seems to be fine on this side. And there's still power. So that's, oh, nice. Oh, it still smells new. It does. Oh, this is beautiful back here. And we have power. Absolutely. Okay, here we go. This is what your front looks like with the gray and the black and the rubber floors. Because they want you to take this off-roading. You got a lot of tread on those huge General tires. Grabbers. Yep. Oh, from the front. She's incredible. Okay, let's climb in over here and just kind of see what's going on. So there is power. Ugh. It's a nice little step up. Figuratively and literally. Here we go. Okay, let's push the little engine start. Ooh, I love the little movies of the first. Here we go. Now we're getting this one. Ooh. Come on, do something fancy. Are you going to do something fancy at all? Or you just sit there? I'm trying to get her to do something. Here we go. There it is. Audio, connect phone, apps. Find Apple CarPlay, Android, audio. What do they listen to? 105.1. Yeah, that's not even a station. Here we go. 105.3.
Contact attorney Jason Lowe.
There you go. Absolutely. Okay, this is kind of cool too. Driver's door ajar. Okay. 0 miles an hour. It's kind of lopsided. I like things that are symmetrical, so I want something kind of circly over here. That's all right. All this stuff's going to work on the front part of the car. There's your lock and unlock. Unlock. Okay. You have your windows. Oh, that's quiet. Listen to this. There's really nothing to listen to. I like that. And of course, this will all come off. Oh, how cool is that? How cool is that? We're gonna make these a little better. Keep the sun, there we go. See? Oop, we got a cracked windshield too. No big deal. 2 high, 4 low, 4 high. You got your 4-wheel drive right here. You got a really cool thing right there that looks to be just kind of screwed in place. Okay, that's nice. Oh, this is cool. Ay, 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 ay. Let's look under the hood and see what she looks like. I can't get this open. What is the problem? Oh, it's not, the hook isn't unlatching. Here we go. Jiminy Christmas. That's horrible. This is a new car and the hood latch doesn't even work. Here it is. Nope. Nope, I can't do it. What kind of magic do you have to perform to get this hood to come open? It's not. It doesn't. It's broken. All right, sorry about that, Bronco. I can't do it. 21,000 miles and the hood latch is already broken. Sorry about that. I tried. I really tried. So this would take a lot of work because it's a new car, the new price of parts, because you're not going to find this in the junkyard, and being that they're not really even bolt-on parts, this just got very, very expensive. So this is not something for me, but if this is something for you, you don't have to be a dealer. Anybody can buy cars and trucks out here at IAA. So check them out online, IAAI.com. Super friendly people. I've been to lots all over the country and they are super, super nice. Okay, have a great day, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon, and I have more vehicles coming to the channel. And always, please like and please subscribe, because I do need those subscriptions. Okay, have a good day. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.